Dear friends, welcome to another episode of English Easy English. Today we are going to discuss about WH question words. What are WH question words? The question words starting with WH. What are they? Who, when, what, why, where, which, whose and who. These question words are used to ask questions for getting information about people, location, time, etc. Actually, questions are the heart of any language. Without asking questions, we can't communicate with others. So, studying questions is an important thing. Let's start with who. Who is used for asking information about a person. Example, who is he? The answer may be he is John, etc. Who is that man? He is a driver or driver. Who are they? They are players. Always respond with short answers. That will give you confidence. Next, when. It is used for asking about time. When is the party? At 9 a.m. When do you finish your writing? In the evening. When will you come? Tomorrow. All these questions are related with time. Then what? What is used for asking information about a thing, idea or action? What is on the table? It may be a book, a watch, etc. Then, what happened yesterday? This is for asking information about an action. Next, what is he? He is an engineer. Actually, this question is for asking about one's profession. That means, what is he doing for living? Next, let's move on to why. It is used for asking reason about something. That means something happened and the reason for that action. That is sought using why. Why are you late? The reason may be missed the train, etc. Here, the question is for asking reason for his late. Next, where? Asking information about a place or a location. Where is your car? Where do you keep your keys? Where do you go for shopping? These are related to location. Next, which? This is asking about choice or to get information about things. Which is your shoe? The black one. Which is your favorite color? It may be red, white, etc. That is, the answer may be red, white, etc. Then, whose? It is used to ask ownership or possession. That is, who owns something? Whose book is this? Whose box is on the table? Here, our answer will be related to ownership. Whom? It is used for asking information about object or receiver of the action. Whom should we send the invitation to? Or to whom should we send the invitation? Study these question words very carefully. Even though it is very simple, it is very essential for developing communication or fluency. Thank you for watching. A short break. Goodbye.